In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix translation missing in Shopify. If you are seeing a translation missing message in your Shopify store, this usually means a text field in your theme does not have a value assigned to it. The good news is that this is usually very easy to fix directly from your Shopify admin area. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the menu on the left, go to Online Store and then click Themes. This will take you to the area where you can manage the design and content settings for your current storefront. Once you are on the Themes page, look for your active theme. This is the theme that is currently published on your store. Next to that theme, click the three dots to open the Additional Options menu. This menu gives you access to several theme-related settings and tools. From the list of options, select Edit Default Theme Content. This section allows you to manage the default text used throughout your theme. It is especially useful when a label, button, message, or other piece of text is missing and showing a translation error instead. This helps Shopify locate the exact content entry that is missing from the theme language settings. Be sure to type it carefully so you can find the correct field quickly. When the matching result appears, look for the empty box connected to that key. If the field is blank, that is likely the reason the translation missing message is showing on your store. Enter the text you want to display in that box. Use clear wording that matches the purpose of that section on your storefront. Once you have entered the desired text, click Save. Saving updates the theme content and applies the new text to your store. After the save is complete, return to your storefront and refresh the page where the error appeared. In many cases, the missing translation message will now be replaced with the text you added. This method is one of the simplest ways to correct missing translation text in Shopify without editing code. It is quick, direct, and helpful for keeping your store looking clean and professional. That covers everything you need to know.